guys, where are you going?
We're going to Barcelona.
Calling us again. That's where we ate last time.
No. Let's go to PF Chang
PF
then.
Chang is nice up there.
Chaya.
Chaya is spooky. What are we having?
We're having our border grill bowl.
Our border grill bowl. We're having asada and Daddy is having chicken.
Welcome to Barcelona. The current time here is 10 to 4 p.m. The seatbelt sign will remain on until we are safely installed on the terminal. Please.
We're in Barcelona now. Just is there. We're here at the baggage claim. We're at Castle 14. Going to exchange first. Take a cab here. Josh here. Sorry, please. Now we're going to our hotel.
Garbi Millenni Room.
We're staying here. Garbi Millenni. Okay. A restaurant here too. Let's check. I think breakfast only. We're staying here at Hotel Garbi Millenni.
For you. You jump in.
We're here. I can see the breakfast when we come out.
Yeah, I know. Go.
Wait, one bag.
No, this is
Wait, this is small.
Yeah, this is
I
not.
take back what I said. I take back what I said.
Can I see? Here's the bathroom. Let's do a tour first. Oh, but okay.
Take back what I said.
This
This is an office.
this is big. This is beautiful. This is the room. This is
We'll
the
stay here, no?
yeah. I like this
Reasonable.
place.
You guys have that office. This office. I have that office.
Okay. And that's your bed?
This is the office.
Maybe that's my bed. I don't know. I kind of want to sleep with you.
Bed test.
Bed test.
How is the bed? Comfy? Rate the bed.
A bit full,
A bit firm, okay.
but still bouncy. Bounce,
You like
bounce,
it?
bounce, bounce, bounce.
Nice.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Josh.
This is my bunker.
That is so cute.
Thank you.
What are you doing there?
I'm checking with the Apple Watch.
Wow. Awesome.
I'm gonna stay put in my bunker for a while.
Where are you going, Josh?
I'm going to
Tapas.
Tapas.
We're having tapas right across the
But
street.
may no.
At Jabata. At Jabata. Saan?
Mama.
Saan?
Which tapas? Where are we going?
Sarap mo lang.
Going
Which
right.
restaurant?
They're right across the street.
Ano?
It says La Jabata.
Ano?
La Jabata. I'm not sure what to get yet. From the Galician sandwiches.
Gracias.
Anchovy.
Señorita, ¿tiene syrup?
What is
Sí. Sarap.
This is the homemade anchovy, fresh anchovy. and then olives, and then tomato, bread with tomatoes.
What's that?
This is fried pork.
Chicharon.
Okay, chin guys.
Chin chin. Salud.
Oh.
Oh my god. I like this one, the best. This is, what's it? Turesnos, fried pork belly. This is made fresh anchovies in vinegar, and this one is bread with tomatoes. Hi guys, how's the food? Josh, how's your pan and tomato? How's the lechon daddy? the clara is so good. I think this is the best clara that I've had. This is the best clara that I've tried here. Thank you.
Gracias.
Thank you. Yum yum. This. Oh, I like this container. This is the prawns. In garlic and
Like the
chili.
chicharon? Your Guero Cafe, por favor.
Yes. So fun. So good.
The whole thing to the extent.
Go.
Whoa, see?
Oh wow.
Not spicy, no? And then shrimp. Whoa.
Where they get the Australia down. And here's the second macaroni.
Padrino pepper, cheers.
Hi Josh. You like?
So good.
House. I think, I'm not sure if the house or the restaurant was founded in 1926. It's already 12 midnight. There are still people outside. We're going to...
Easy. Why didn't you just...
Josh, that's so loud. We're going to... we are grocery shopping right now. We forgot to... We got... Sure, no, probably no. We're getting some chips. Yeah, they don't have a lot of chips. Probably chips are not popular here. I don't think they eat chips. This is probably just for the tourists.
Yeah.
Tex-Mex.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think they do.
Ayun sa dulo. Come on. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Milka. Milka. Get Milka. I'll probably get Milka. Oh yeah, the chips are here. They have peanuts.
Yeah.
Pistachio. Just chips probably.
Which one here? Which one? JD, which one?
They like
You want
the
Pringles
chips, huh?
is there?
Or maybe Pringles na lang, right? They have Raffles Sabor y Hamon. Oh, Sabor a Hamon. I don't know. I think that's it. You can...
Nuts.
Nuts?
Yeah.
I'm getting that one. That's the lemon apple. This octopus and the crema catalan. We are walking back to our hotel. This is our hotel.
Papadang. We're gonna try papadang.
Daddy's thinking about papadam. We are on, this is here at Ronda de San Pau. Garbi Millenni.
Ayan pa siya.
I've been expecting you.
Okay, open.
Judge just took the stairs. He took the elevator because we have this like grocery. One second.
No.
No.
That way. Wait until it turns here. There we go. And put it on.
Hi Josh, present your stuffies.
So here's my stuffies. Here we have Cobbleware, and then here we have Mr. Snaky, Mr. Orca,